You're watching Beach TV 12. Summer is the season, the sun is warm, and the ocean breeze is gentle. And the beaches are alive with fun and good times. So come on, let's take a look at the beach and watch this while we go up about 1,700 feet, okay?
In the early morning with the tide comes
Beach TV 12.
Here to capture the waves and the surf comes
Beach TV 12.
a 2-hour daily video collage of the sights, the sounds, and the scenes of North Carolina's mysterious Outer Banks.
Beach TV 12. A beaching,
Boating,
sunbathing,
sailing,
surfing,
gliding,
singing,
fishing,
eating,
exploring,
smorgasbord of video.
designed to delight.
Beach TV 12.
Summer is the season North Carolina's Outer Banks attracts visitors from around the world. Wide, uncrowded beaches, unspoiled natural areas, the Hatteras National Seashore, Jockey's Ridge State Park, the Wright Brothers Memorial, the Lost Colony Outdoor Drama present a pleasant picture for families that like to spend their vacation away from the hustle and bustle of the workaday world. Beach TV 12 takes you backstage to the events that makes an Outer Banks vacation an experience that cannot be captured anywhere else except here on the Carolina coast.